Mukkavilli Ramakrishna, Managing Director and Founder of Maitri Aquatech Private Limited. Today, as we all know, there is shortage of quality water across the world. Not only the world is facing challenges of potable water in terms of availability, but also in terms of quality. And especially if you see Africa, post-COVID, not only Africa, even Middle East for that matter, are also trying to focus on food security. And today the food security is not possible without you are having access to the water. And most of these countries do not have access to water. And during the COVID, the biggest challenge these countries have that food security supply chain has been cut. So they had a lot of problem. So to address this problem, Maitri Aquatech and London-based Contact Global have come together to provide atmospheric water generators, Meghdut atmospheric water generators, which will help to not only produce clean, safe and potable drinking water, but also help these countries to use this atmospheric water generator through micro irrigation in agricultural purposes. So this will help them to become food secure and also help India to become a global leader in positioning itself as an innovative water solution, technology solution provider, and also help to build a large relationship with these countries. Today, if you really see, not only in this Africa or Middle East or India, it's not only the humanity which is suffering, even the flora, fauna, animals, they are also suffering. Today, if you see, large number of animals in Africa are dying because of lack of water. So there is the endeavor of Maitri Aquatech is to see that we provide machines which will help to provide water to these animals, which will help this flora fauna to success. Like we have some projects, like in Kenya, we are trying to give water to an elephant in elephant corridor through in Tsavo National Park. And in one of these Middle East countries, we got a project to supply water for plants and large number of trees also. So the water from Meghdut AWG is not only meant to help the humanity, but also the world at large. And the best part of this water AWG is it is very scalable. I can give you a machine which is 30 liters per day to a million liter plant, which can help a whole city to run. We are now trying to talk to some of those countries for setting up a project of million liter plants. This can run on a solar energy. This is 100% sustainable, and also the technology is very decentralized. So in the same place, unlike what you have in a desalination plant or anything, this doesn't not a centralized one. You can put any number of them on a short distance. So it helps the woman not to travel and all that. And secondly, the water from AWG can be tweaked. This is a very, very important advantage of AWG water, because I can give you a calcium-rich water for school children and all that. I can give a magnesium-rich water for pregnant women and all that. So our ability to tweak the water is one of the biggest benefit of water from the AWG. Right now, we have supplied these machines to different applications, right from schools, hospitals, and also water ATM. During the COVID, Meghdut has been used, like we have been supplying water to the COVID warriors across the country. So and large number of applications are there in form of water ATM, so that people will be having access to safe drinking water on the move also.